Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We are doing social service also. We have a separate SBA Foundation, a separate unit, which will be doing on behalf of the bank. We are giving donations continuously to those foundation, SBA Foundation, which will be doing a lot of activity for the society. And we have also created a SBA Green Fund. This is one initiative for environment conservation as well as for doing a lot of activities. So these are the few activities which we have done. As Madam already conveyed, during the COVID time also, a bank has contributed, they have money from their personal salary as well as they have contributed one-day salary for the PM Care Fund.
We are also happy to receive. So you may say it's a small amount for us and our children and our teachers. It is a big gratitude that we receive today, because many of these items are some things which our teachers yearn to have, our school yearns to have. So such items help us to teach the students better.
SBI has done a wonderful work in choosing Lokvishwas Pratishthan as beneficiary of the CSR activity this year. As such, banking is always a socially useful enterprise. There is commercial angle, but more or less we are doing a social function in the society.